Good morning all. Today I welcome you all in the course LabVIEW Beginner to Advanced. So here is the word of LabVIEW. Discover the word of LabVIEW. In this presentation we will dive into the basics and explore the many possibilities of this powerful programming tool. LabVIEW is a graphical user interface GUI based tool. In this course you just need to drag and drop nodes into your programming. The basic there are two windows. One is front panel, one is block diagram. Block diagram is your programming window and front panel is your customer window, or you can say result window. So here are some introduction. You first interface your devices. In this particular course you just go with like Python integration with LabVIEW, MATLAB integration with LabVIEW, different hardwares that are from NI interfacing with LabVIEW, third party hardware interfacing with LabVIEW. Okay, so as I already told you, over here this is the block diagram and this is the front panel. This one is the front panel. The basic component, like different data types, we can create loops and structures. We can also go with modular programming, that is called sub-VI. We can error handler, we go with error handler. The LabVIEW tool is developed for automatic debugging tool. It can automatically handle different errors, creating and debugging VIs. We can debug. There are different debugging techniques inside this. We can develop VI, we can develop projects, we can develop code documentation, we can develop reports also with this particular software. Advanced topics in LabVIEW programming, like we can go with FPGA, we can go with biomedical tool, we can go with robotics, we can go with LabVIEW real-time application or project object-oriented programming also. Here are some examples of library tools like NI LabVIEW networking tool, NI hardware libraries, NI defined libraries. In this case you just go with report generation tool, you can go with NI documentation, you can go with hardware libraries like MyRio, MyDAC libraries, etc. In the data acquisition, we just acquire the data of different sensors like pressure sensor, flow sensor, temperature sensor, IR sensor, PIR sensor, ultrasonic sensor, humidity sensor. Other than this, you just go with flame sensor, alcohol sensor, etc. We can also go with signal processing applications. We can go with big data analysis over the cloud. In LabVIEW is capable with web publishing tool. There is a data dashboard also. You can use it for application control and monitoring also. Real world application of LabVIEW, like robotics application, medical application, automotive application, you can create your own. It supports SCADA system also. You can create your realistic view of your particular application in the software also. This is all about today's lecture. Thank you.